Good morning. Your interview is going to be on which date with IDBI?
Sir, it is on 22nd of October. Sir.
22nd of October. In which place? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
In which place? Where will that interview be conducted?
Hello?
Where will that interview be conducted? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి
Hello, sir.
Hello. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. There is some communication problem. No problem. So your interview will be in which place?
Sir, my interview will be in Hyderabad, sir.
On 22nd.
Yes, sir, 22nd.
Very good. You told me you studied BSC Agriculture. Which
Yes,
year
sir.
did you complete it?
Sir, I have done my graduation in 2019, sir.
Okay. After that?
Sir, after that, I have stayed in Delhi, sir, for 1 year.
Acha. For what purpose?
Sir, I am preparing for UPSC examination in Delhi, sir.
Oh, very good. Did you write IAS once or twice?
Yes, sir, only once, sir.
Acha. You could not clear the
Yes, sir, but I am not able to qualify that exam, sir.
prelims itself. You could not qualify.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So you thought it fit to come to banking?
Yes, sir. I thought it will be useful in banking. I thought, sir, my interest is more towards the banking, sir. So I thought it will be very grateful. It will get useful for me to come in banking sector.
Acha. Good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is the chief ticket inspector in South Central Railways, sir.
Railways. Chief
Yes, sir.
ticketing inspector.
Yes, sir.
Acha. That means he is stationed in Tirupati or some other place?
Tirupati only, sir.
Tirupati only. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, say you studied BSc Agriculture. For which reason did you choose BSc Agriculture?
Sir, one of the main reason is, sir, in my after my intermediate, I have written an exam called MSET, sir. Through that exam, I thought of getting seat in MBBS, sir.
Oh, good.
But I am not able to get the seat in MBBS. Then there is chance of getting seat in BSc Agriculture. So I have also some interest in BSc Agriculture. So I thought to make my career in here.
Now, does your family own lands?
Yes, sir.
Acha. What is grown in your field?
Sir, currently there is no crop is growing, sir.
Acha. Normally, what do you grow?
Sir, it is mostly of paddy, sir.
Mostly paddy.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Where is the land? In near Tirupati or somewhere else?
Sir, it is about 70 kilometers from Tirupati, sir.
Very good. Very good. Talking about Tirupati and 70 kilometers and all,
Yes, sir.
there is a railway station name, very big name. Do you remember that? The biggest name in railway station name, Shri Venkata Narasimha Raju Waripeta.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about it? While going from Chennai to Tirupati, it will come.
I have heard, sir, but I'm not able to recollect properly.
Yeah, Sri Venkata Narasimha Raju Waripeta. Good.
Okay, sir.
So that means this is the first interview you are appearing in a bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you write for your IBPS RRBPO?
Yes, sir. I have written, sir, but I'm not able to qualify in prelims, sir.
Oh. Have you written some technical officer examinations?
Sir, I have written exam of NABARD, sir. I have qualified in prelims examination, sir.
So you have to write the main.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. What is NABARD?
So NABARD is National Agricultural Rural Bank of India.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you know where is its headquarters?
Sir, it is in Mumbai, sir.
Acha, who is the chairman of that organization?
Sir, it is Mr. G.R. Chintala, sir.
What are they doing?
Sir, the main function of NABARD is to provide credit to banks for rural development and for providing some refinance facilities to the smaller organizations like small banking facilities to microfinance agencies, etc. Sir, for the promotion of rural development.
For the promotion of rural development.
Yes, sir.
So, what made you develop a taste for joining in IDBI as a probationary officer? And what is it that is very interesting for you?
Yes. So one of the main reasons for me to join IDBI is, so IDBI is working progressively with a good amount of profits, and it is also one of the good banks that is providing a good number of opportunities for employees, sir. Sir, once I have visited the IDBI branch, I have seen the working culture there, and I have inspired from the working culture of the IDBI bank, and I thought it will be very good for me to join IDBI bank. And also, sir, IDBI is providing PGDBA course, which is a great opportunity for students to develop their personal skills and to grow professionally in the banking industry. So I thought it is good opportunity for me, sir.
Excellent. That's good. But then, which branch did you visit?
Sir, I have visited in the Tirupati branch only, sir.
Oh, Tirupati.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tirupati is known for what?
Sir, it is spiritual capital of Andhra Pradesh, sir. The major famous attraction is Tirumala temple, sir.
Okay.
And some other temples like Padmanabha Swami temple and Govindarada Swami temple and some other temples are present here, sir.
So more temples are there.
Yes, sir. It is mostly spiritual capital, sir. So more temples are there here.
More temples are there. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have accounts in SBI and Union Bank of India, sir.
SBI and
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India. So why you have two accounts?
Sir, one of the main reason of getting my account in Union Bank of India is because of a graduation. Sir, it is previously Andhra Bank, that is Andhra Bank, sir. So we have mandatorily to open an Andhra Bank account in my graduation to credit of my some scholarship, etc., sir.
Correct.
So that is one of the reasons, sir. And for SBI, sir, for SBI, I have an interest in SBI also, and it is one of the major bank in India. So I thought to open an account in SBI also, sir.
Okay. Good. So Andhra Bank has been merged with which bank?
So Andhra Bank has merged with. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect.
Union Bank of India.
So it's Union Bank only, sir. Yes.
Union Bank of India. So, Aman, what do you understand by public sector banks?
Sir, public sector banks, the major shareholder is the government, sir. So it is to provide credit mostly to the public areas, to the public people, and for the development of their business, sir.
Yeah. Now, what do you think will be your job role? What is the job role of probation or assistant manager?
Yes, sir. So first of all, while going to assistant manager, they'll be given in the probation period for 2 years. So in the probation period, we'll be assigned any task of the bank, like clerical work also. So we have to be prepared to do any task in the bank. After the completion of the probationary period, we will be given some of the major tasks like in the recovery section maybe, or maybe in the account section. So we have to pass the checks also, sir. We have to pass the checks and drafts, and we have to open the accounts, and we have to pass the loans also. So these are the main areas of the operation, sir.
Good. Yes. Now tell me, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Sir, in 5 years, I have to become a good, successful banker with good working skills and professional ideas, and I have to be in a good higher position of a successful manager, sir.
Very good. What is a bank?
Sir, bank is a financial organization that accepts deposits and lends the loans, sir.
Yeah, acceptance of deposits and making loans.
Loans, yes, sir.
Can you tell me some additional functions that are performed by banks?
Sir, banks will provide loans, etc.
Apart from that, what are the additional services provided by the subsidiary services?
Sir, subsidiary banks provide credit to some institutions for the development, and also banks provide online services like payment services, for bill payments, etc.
I think you are struggling. You are struggling. So for this question, the answer will be banks provide safe deposit locker.
Yes, yes.
Banks provide bank assurance services, selling of insurance policies.
Yes, sir.
Banks also issue debit card, credit cards.
Yes, sir.
Banks are also giving demand drafts.
Yes, sir.
They also send remittances, NEFT, RTGS.
Yes, sir.
Banks also issue guarantees. And in some cases, banks do additional services like, say, mutual fund, in wealth management consultancy.
Yes, sir.
This is how you have to. Can you please tell me what are the additional services rendered by banks?
Sir, it is portfolio management in mutual funds
Okay.
and online services.
Okay.
Like,
Good. I forgot to tell you about online. Very good.
Yes.
Online, then mobile and all that. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Sir, that's it, sir. I'm not able to recollect more.
let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
Banks accept deposits and make advances. That is the major function.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Apart from this, banks also provide safe deposit locker for people to keep their valuables inside.
Yes, sir.
Banks receive rental income from this.
Yes, sir.
Apart from this, banks also are engaged in selling of, say, new insurance policies, life policies, and also general insurance policies, for which banks will be getting commission.
Yes, sir.
Banks are also issuing demand drafts for which they get commission. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then banks banks are also issuing, did I tell you demand drafts? Okay, then they also send remittances, NEFT, RTGS, they issue guarantees also, and they also give advice in wealth management services.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you try now? Please try. This is a very important question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it provides the bank locker facilities. It uses portfolio management.
No. See, you try to bring before your mind various sections in a bank, then you can answer this. Locker, insurance, then demand draft, remittances, guarantees, wealth management, like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
very good. What do you mean by central bank?
The central bank, there is nothing but RBI, sir. It is the banker of the banks, and it is the custodian of the commercial banks, and it is the custodian of the foreign currency. The major function is to print cash notes.
Printed,
Sir?
Note issuing authority.
Yes, sir. Issuance of the cash notes. And it regulates the banking industry by monetary policy, sir.
Good. Apra. Bankers bank, bankers to government,
Yes, sir.
and monetary policy you told.
Monetary policy.
Correct. Now, can you tell me what are the aspects included in supervision and control of commercial banks? அதாவது say what are the various activities done by banks by RBI with relation to commercial banks?
Sir, it is of two types of measures, sir. That is quantitative control and qualitative control, sir. In quantitative control, it regulates by doing open market operations, and also by regulating various types of interest rates like CRR, SLR, and repo rate and reverse repo rates. By qualitative control, it shows the moral obligation of the it regulates the moral obligation of the bankers by great issuance and rationality and some moral suasion, etc. Sir.
1 minute. Let me tell you something. See, the supervision control means licensing and establishments, branch expansion, liquidity of their assets, management and methods of working, amalgamation or merger, reconstruction and liquidation. I think you have not understood the question correctly. The question was, what are the various aspects relating to banking RBI is exercising supervision and control? One, giving license to banks and also for branch expansion, liquidity of their assets, SLR, CRR, then management and methods of working, then amalgamation, in case of need, merger, then reconstruction and liquidation. In case the bank is not doing well, it will be liquidated. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Under bankers to government, what are the functions performed by RBI?
Sir, can you repeat once again, sir?
Under bankers to government,
Yes, sir.
what are the various functions done by RBI? RBI accepts money, makes payment, and also carry out exchange of remittances for the government. It makes loans and advances to the state governments and local authorities.
Yes, sir.
It also sells treasury bills to maintain liquidity of the economy.
Okay, sir.
It makes ways and means advances to the government for 90 days.
Okay, sir.
It acts as an advisor to the government on all monetary and banking matters.
Yes, sir.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, and issuing of currency is done under Section 22 of RBI Act.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I think you have not read fully. Did you study about monetary policy and all?
Yes, sir. I have some idea, sir. Some idea, not about full, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, monetary policy is the regulation by RBI by following various measures, sir. Sir, as I have told before, it is of qualitative and quantitative control, sir. In quantitative control, it does by open market operations, by controlling various interest rates in terms of repo rate, reverse repo rate, SLR and CLR.
Good, good, good. I think
Yes,
you know this. Very good.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Good. What is the present repo rate?
Sir, it is of 4%, sir.
Reverse repo?
It is a 3.35%.
What is the present CRR?
Present CRR is
4%.
4%, sir.
4%. What is the present SLR?
SLR is 18%, sir.
Correct. What is the present MSF rate?
It is of 4.25%.
Good. What is the present bank rate?
Sir, it is also 4.25%.
Very good. Very good. You told correctly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, what have you heard about IDBI? What are all the points that are there in your mind regarding idbibank.com?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, it is actually a commercial bank before, which is held by Government of India. But RBI classified it as a private sector bank in 2019. So since then, the LIC has taken the major stake of the IDBI Bank of 51% in 2019. But presently, the LIC also has reduced the stake to 49.25%. Our Government of India is holding 45%. So now it is classified as a private sector bank only, sir. So for the operation and the efficiency of the whole bank is about same as the public sector bank, sir. It comes under the IBA association.
No, you don't have to commit the public sector banks. You don't have to tell because it is no longer a public sector bank.
Yes, sir.
So don't tell that point. After that, you get into details like when it was started and how many branches are there now, how many ATMs are there, what is the total business now, balance sheet figure, like that you can tell. What is the total branches?
Sir, it is of 1,880 plus branches, sir.
1,890.
90 plus branches.
How many ATMs?
It is of 3,300 plus, sir.
Very good. But
total balance sheet is 3.7 lakh crores, sir.
Roughly 3 crores. 3 lakh crores.
Yes, 3 lakh crores.
Yeah. And I want you to go through this vision and all correctly.
Okay, sir.
Good. That is good. Now, what is the rate of interest that IDBI is paying on its savings bank account?
Sir, it is a 4%.
Acha, 4%?
Yes, sir. Up to my knowledge, I think it is 4%, sir.
Because I am seeing so many banks websites, so I don't remember. Anyhow, let me just see that. About us, service charges and fees announcement. Where do Mari savings account features and benefits? 1 minute. Savings account. How to apply? Get in touch. Visit our branch. FAQ. What is the interest? What is the rate of interest paid? 4%. You said 4%?
Yes, sir. 4%.
4% for super savings account.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what is the difference between a savings account and a fixed deposit account?
Sir, savings account is the account where we can make deposits and withdrawals very frequently, sir. In fixed deposit account, we fix a time, we fix a particular date on which we have to withdraw, sir.
Correct. Now, are you aware under super savings account in metro and urban, how much minimum balance is prescribed in IDBI? 5,000 rupees.
Yes, sir, 5,000 rupees for metros and 2,500 rupees in semi-urban and urban areas.
And 500 for rural branches.
Yes, sir, 500 for rural branch.
What is a rural branch?
The rural branch is a branch that is situated in the rural area, which have very small population.
Rural branch means less than 10,000 population.
Yes, sir.
Then less than 1 lakh is semi-urban.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Above that, it comes as say semi-urban, then urban. Above 1 lakh means semi-urban.
Yes, sir.
And above 10 lakhs means metropolitan.
Yes, sir.
Can you name a few metropolitan cities?
Sir, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata.
Very good. You are an agricultural graduate.
Yes, sir.
What importance government is giving for agriculture and what measures or instructions are given by government to the banks?
Sir, it is an obligation of the banks to provide priority sector lending, sir. So in that, agriculture is one of the part. So we have to provide 18% of the credit to the agriculture.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
can you tell me what are the other sectors coming under priority sector?
Sir, it is of education, MSMEs, agriculture, and housing finance companies.
Hmm. No, housing finance companies varadu. Housing loans.
Housing loans, yes, sir.
Ah.
And I think yes, sir, that's it.
No. Agriculture,
Yes, sir.
MSME,
MSMEs,
education, housing
loans.
exports,
Yes, sir. Exports.
infrastructure,
Yes.
then small loans.
Yes, okay.
Like that. I think, have I omitted something? Please go through RBI website and get to.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Excellent. Now, why should we select you? What makes you think you are suitable for us?
Yes, sir. So one of the important requirement of the banking is to provide customer service, sir. So for providing good customer service, one has to be very good at qualities like to deal with public and to maintain public relations and to be very calm, polite, honest in nature. So I think I have these qualities, and this makes me to be a very good banker in the future, sir.
You are the branch manager of a bank having the safe keys and all with you.
Yes, sir.
Your branch opens at 10 a.m.
Okay, sir.
It takes about 15 minutes for you to reach from your home to the branch.
Okay, sir.
One day, on account of some delay, you start at 9:15.
Okay, sir.
On the way, you find a person has been hit by a two-wheeler. He is lying on road with a lot of blood coming out of him.
Yes, sir.
So what will you do under these circumstances?
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, I will try to help the person, sir, because it is of ethical nature. So first, I will try to help the person. If it takes more than required time, so then I'll hand over the person to some ambulance until to help the person. Then I'll reach the bank, sir. If there is any issue of delay in the bank, then I'll try to convince the whole employees that this is the situation happened. So I try to make them convinced.
No. The better answer would have been, I will try to phone for ambulance and also request somebody else there to take care because we have to reach the office before 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
So I will go and open the cash key and hand over the key to my next man. And then if necessary, I will rush back to this place for assistance. Otherwise, if there is no need, I will not return back.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is fiscal policy?
The fiscal policy is a policy of the government to maintain the inflation in the correct rate, sir.
It is the process of policy decision making in relation to financial structure of receipts and payments. That is, this fiscal policy only decides how much tax is to be levied, how many social welfare schemes are to be done, like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
When were banks nationalized for the first time?
Sir, I'm not able to remember properly, sir.
1969.
1969, yes, sir.
Second time it was happened in 1980.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is to deal with public, sir. I am a good listener, polite and honest, sir. Sir, and also I have some sales and marketing strategies, sir. So I think these strengths will be helpful in banking, sir.
Good. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is to practice drawing in the leisure times.
Oh.
Yes, sir. And to work out in gym regularly, sir.
Acha. Gym, what type of exercises you do?
Sir, I do a lot of exercises with the whole machines and the dumbbells, sir.
Acha.
So, yes, sir, of different body parts.
Excellent. Now, more or less, your interview is on 22nd only. You have been able to answer not bad. However, I have not gone deep into banking and other aspects, current affairs and all.
Yes, sir.
So, if you can avoid, make available some time, come on 18th or 19th. You can take, I suggest you take 2 interviews. The reason is you are very good in communication, but somehow banking aspect and all, you are not that very thorough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please prepare and come again and test your skill, possibly on 19th. Is it okay for you on 19th?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Your interview is on 22nd. So you can have one on 19, one on 20 or 18 and 20. That will be better.
Okay, sir.
Shall I make it 18th, 11:30?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
I am marking your name here. You can remit money and tell me, and you can have one more interview. And if necessary, you can come on 20th. Otherwise, not necessary. Depends on your finding it useful.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, how did you find this exercise? Will it be useful for you?
Yes, sir. It is very useful, sir.
Excellent. It will be useful because
now I have found that I am very weak in banking sector, sir.
Banking sector, you have to improve consciously.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please go through the website of IDBI and also SBI and also banking materials. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. I enjoy talking to you. My initial rating for you is 8 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
8 out of 10. But this will not do. You must score 9.5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please prepare accordingly.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You have the materials given by me.
Yes, sir. I have received yesterday, sir.
And lot of materials. Even now I have posted one more paper in our group.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
You
sir.
did well, but still some more push. But your case, the advantage is gap is only 2 years.
Yes, sir.
So this will help you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Okay.